Do you want to learn how to discover and join new feeds on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to BlueSky app or website. If you're on app, then click on this on the top left and then go to feeds. And if you're on the website, then click on feeds on the left. Then on the right, you will see discover new feeds. You can discover new feeds by searching here. For example, I can type in cat to get custom feeds made by people on the topic of cats. Now, these are custom feeds. If you want to create your own custom feed, I have 2 tutorials on my channel. You can check them out. There will be a playlist on the right at the end of this tutorial. You can find it from there. So inside this, let's say, for example, I like this one. I can pin it to my profile on the right, like here and here. Now you will ask how to join it, how to get my post inside these feeds. Now, not every feed has an option to do this. There might be some feeds where there's an option like this. For example, if I go down here, like this science communication, it says post tagged with hashtag skycom will get added into this feed. Or for example here, Catterday, it says post with images mentioning Catterday in either post text or image alt text will get added inside this feed that way. So yes, that is it. This is how to discover and join feeds on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.